Hi everyone, my name is Morel, and just like Keith, I'm a big soccer fan, so I had this idea from, before the World Cup, when I'm trying to watch soccer games, especially in the US, it's very hard to find bars and places that will have, those soccer games playing. Or just like any specific events, like let's say you're a big Star Wars fan and you want to have like a trivia night for Star Wars, but there's, no one is hosting that event currently. So the idea of the app is you pitch that idea, so you put it out there that I want to watch this game, or I want to have this trivia night, I want to go out and then have this specific style of music playing at a club or something, and then people can see that, and then they can say I'm in, and then you're basically kind of crowdsourcing the idea, and then there's two sides. So there's the user side. They put their ideas out there, and then there's the like club owners and bars, and they see their idea, they see the things that people want to do, and they can decide to want to host that event. And then once they decide to